Alright, what's up everyone? Today's a little bit of a different video. It's currently Saturday, so we have no trading that we're doing today. However, I was just kind of bored and I wanted to upload a video, so we're gonna do a trade recap of Friday's win. Get rid of that, I don't know what that's there for. And just kind of show you what I was thinking and why I entered, where I entered, and yeah. So if we go back to the daily, holy shit. Go back to the daily, we noticed that we're obviously in an uptrend on the daily. We had some tariff news that brought us down a little bit, but that was kind of our first confirmation of our daily biases. We can obviously see that price is trending. And then we go into the 4 hour, and it's even more apparent here, right? Creating highs, low, high, low, high, and yeah. Then we go in the 1 hour, you can see that too. And then the fact that we're also in a trending market, most markets, every market you're going to trade is going to be like an uptrend, usually. Also, so like confirmed with like market structure on the daily 4 hour, 1 hour, gives us a little bit more context. And then the added fact that we didn't have any news on Friday. We were completely free of news on Friday. Nothing really telling us that price was going to go down. So, yeah. And then what we did was we marked out this 1 hour fair value gap right here. And went ahead. I had some session highs and lows. Red is our London session lows and highs, and then blue is going to be our Asian. So we marked those out, and then in the 15 minute, we went ahead and marked out our major liquidity pools. So we had liquidity here, we had liquidity here, which was made from this high. And then, and then we had a high up here. So we just marked out little liquidity zones to see where price wanted to grab liquidity. We also had our take profits set on that. It was kind of a small trade. It was 2,500. We were trading 3 contracts. We could have made a lot more, but we were kind of suffering from some losses that were totally preventable, and I just kind of wanted to get up for the day. So we kind of cut short. Could have made probably double of what we made on that trade, maybe a little bit less, but we'll go ahead and get to the actual entry here. So, where's market open? So at 6:30, we can kind of see prices grabbing liquidity here. But I'm looking for a liquidity sweep, in an actual clean one on the, the market open. So I'm expecting price to probably come down here, grab liquidity here, maybe here. But what we get is kind of a strange thing, and this happens from time to time. It's not a big issue. Is price decided to come and grab liquidity from here. So we can see that right here. And market kind of saved my ass, okay? So sometimes when we break these zones, we will not get like a typical entry. Say price comes up past this zone, it closes, and we get a rejection. This is a rejection, but we want to enter off this. Typically, and I did, but price went down lower, and I accidentally sold actually. So I made sure to get out of it quick. We made like 300 on it. It was a stupid trade, but I'm happy that I got out, and I'm happy it didn't. I accidentally sold because we would have, wow. And basically, when we look for a rejection like this, we want it to be a bearish rejection, followed, and then our entry would be followed by a bullish candle close, and then we enter on that. But we can see here that price, it kind of rejected, but then we get a bearish close. It doesn't reject, it closes here. So this is our liquidity sweep. And what we have now is a high that needs to get broken right here. And as we can see, price continues up. We get that breakup structure. We have a fair value gap. And we're looking for kind of a reaction off of it. You could consider that a reaction. I mean, maybe we could probably gotten like an entry off here. And then, but these are kind of risky. Yeah, I mean, we totally could have gotten an entry off there, and probably, yeah. So like we could have definitely gotten a better entry, but I typically like to see price wick into a fair value gap before I'm like, okay, let's do this, So we see price, it comes down. Oh, shit. You could call this a wick in here. We could have gotten a much better entry. But shit, it is what it is. So what happens? We go up. We're looking for another retracement. Look, we get a fair value gap. What do we get? Wick. Enter on this close. And how did I set my first take profit or my only take profit? Usually I have multiple take profits, but we're in the trade, and this is a fairly big gap right here. Like, this is almost a 200-point gap right here. So I'm looking to take profit in between because I don't know if it's going to come down. We could have maybe sold 2 contracts and held on to the last one and targeted up here. Or we could have just targeted up here. But I kind of just wanted to lock in profits for the day, and we were up 2,500. So I was like, fuck it. Anyways, this is how I set it. Grab my little Fibonacci, but I kind of just use it as equilibrium. And draw in between these 2 zones. This seems wrong. Something seems wrong about this. Interesting. And yeah, so we set our take profit according to that. I must have been slightly off. Yeah, I think I set it a little slightly under, because we literally got out like right here. It was like perfect. And before it kind of retraced and then went back up. And I mean, people who say 1 minute isn't like trustworthy to trade on or set like, look at this. Boom, boom, boom. If we missed that other retracement, we could have gone in right here. Boom. Oh, what? Yeah, look at that. That's a huge, like, damn. And then price also comes down a little bit, but we don't have like a fair value gap retracement. Price is completely balanced on the way up. I think we just wanted to test this resistance zone or support zone. But yeah, it was a small trade, but we made 2,500 on it. Wasn't the best risk reward. It was kind of sloppy, but it was a win, right? We did everything right. We could have just been a little bit more confident in where we were setting our take profits. Because I mean, yeah, dude, this could have been nuts, right? So, that was basically it. I mean, it was a really quick trading day, I think, because most of my trading videos, my live trading videos are around, I don't know, like 40, 45 minutes, maybe 50. I think it was like a 30-minute video that day. We were in and we were out. It was super quick. So, and we didn't really stick around after for too long. But yeah, this was a trading recap of Friday. What was the date? It was August 8th, Friday. And I mean, yeah, we could have. This was big. But I'm predicting to, like, I think tomorrow will be easy. I think we're just basically, where's our drawing tools? I think I think Monday price will like come down a little bit, and I think, this is bad, dude. You guys get the point, but I need to make it look good. I think, price will go a little bit. Let's just pretend. All right, liquidity sweep, break a structure, retracement, reaction, depending what it is, and then, yeah. So we're aiming for a high to be made. Should I just leave this here? I want to see how. I mean, we'll have Sydney, Asian, and London session, which will probably drag price out quite a bit. But, yeah, that's kind of predictions right now. I mean, we might just make a new high in the pre-market. I wouldn't be surprised. But yeah, that was it. Bro, there was an exact trade like this like a month ago. Market. Yeah, dude. That's crazy. So yeah, we'll see. We will see. Anyways, appreciate you guys for being here, and I honestly, and I'll catch you guys on Monday. Hoping for a big win on Monday. Next week, I'm looking to pass the evaluation, and then the week following, hopefully we can get our first payout. I think we're nearing close to 3 months trading now, and it would be freaking awesome, dude. I mean, imagine the content I could make, posting, becoming profitable in 3 months, and like all that shit. Like that'll be great. So, stick to the trading plan. If anybody's even watching these videos, stick to your trading plan. Respect your rules, because you will not be profitable. I see people, that they make the same mistakes over and over again, thinking that something will change. And it doesn't make any sense. I don't get it. Like, I actually do not understand it. It is so simple. And of course, I had problems with it too. But you let go, trust the market, and just follow your trading plan step by step, and you will be profitable. All right. Obviously, your strategy has to be profitable, but watching the market enough, you'll learn what works and doesn't work. So whoever saw this video, I appreciate you guys for watching, and again, I will see you guys on Monday. All right, peace.